Hey, my name is Dylan with RepairSpots, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create a quick repair. Now, in order to create a quick repair, we'll just be on the home page where we have this center tab here with already existing quick repairs. We'll just go to the left here where there's this black box with the plus in the middle, and we'll click that plus. Here we select the type of repair it is, being either a desktop/laptop or phone/tablet. We'll put in the device that's going to be worked on and the defective part of the device. Now, as for cost, we're going to be leaving that in blank because if you add any parts or labor cost down here in this little section, it will overwrite that cost to what you put in here. So we'll go here. We'll add the parts that are going to be added. In this case, it's going to be the iPhone 11 LCD. If there is any labor cost, we can add that labor cost as well. We will save. And now that cost is the cost of the parts that we added in that other section. We'll create this quick repair. And there we have it. Now clicking on that quick repair is going to automatically populate all of the fields within the new repair to just go straight ahead to next, next, and selecting your customer, as well as selecting your technician. And just like as creating any other repair ticket, you can add images or notes to the repair. You'll go down here, have a signature signed, accept the terms and conditions, and submit the repair. And there you have it.